the fact say whether you like it or not, say we MPP new, we NDC new, say we CPP new, we UFP new, say we so-called neutral or whatever you are. Fuel price. Number one, $. Number two, nimyenu eba bekosro. Fuel price, any dollar, exchange rate, those two items I'm mentioning, whether you like it or not, whether you pray about it or not, whether you fast or not, whether you decide to pump or mine into forest market or not, whether the remaining 18 tons of gold are Dr. Mahmudu Baumia adwinkesiye adwi ho a yede gold purchasing program no NDC for we aba to gold ni nyina almost over 18 tons of gold. Now you can say 18 tons of gold are sometimes I say people are not able to really relate with a quantity of gold as Ayɛka. When we long trailer articulated trailer no tintini bi no you got 18 tons of gold ebetimi ayemu ma. That is the amount of gold NDC for etimi hwenya kupon enim ehwe minu we enim ehwe satan enim ekoton ye and I'm catch you say sika no na mudi share exchange rate nimo. By Tebushan for be where we have reached now, within a week or two from now, fuel is going to go up. Watch it. Number one. Number two, the dollar is going to go up. And it's simple. Please, let's power up. If likes, no 5,000 likes. The reason is simple. It is because Ghana no yenye island. Ghana yenye island we are on our own, and whatever is happening, LBI or Togo no, affect here, and that's whatever is happening, or Benin, affect here. We are part of a global community. But you see, this explanation, no dear, we are not going to accept it from John Mahama. So explanation, I mean, more say Ghana yenye island. Whatever happens on the international scene, affect here no. So explanation, we are not going to hear it from Sami Jemfi. Mahama. The reason is simple. When the price of fuel born, our international market, John Mahama, any Sami Jemfi, any NDC4, they came to tell you and I say, policies. Entina fuel born bafom. Mukai. They said that and yes, sir, anything is happening on the global scene. MPP for the Omutantro. John Mahama, ni good luck. John Mahama, good luck. Nintina fuwa bonu befom. Omusi fuwa boy eba from internationally nyinano. Mahama, ni exchange rate intina na bafom. Yes, sir. And it is a US for, any Iran for, any Israel for, any UK for. Any Saudi Arabia, Bahrain for UAE for all of them in the Middle East people there combine Iraq sukaumbi master so mukundi. We will see whether John Mahama no any magic ntina full born to me back from and say a global influence. Now nyamiadum from next week I'll resume going to radio and TV. Ya chesa NDC communicator but na radio station and TV station catch me no say for boy ekos ro no enye Mahama fault ye be hwi na sum wa wonnim now ye NDC communicator na Sami Jemfi more 500 cedis at the end of the month nti utimi sorry so be ba radio station abeka say for boy eba be kos ro no global war between US and Iran. NTB. We don't go hear some. Maybe it's say we won't hear that. Because you never accepted, say, a war between Russia and Ukraine can affect Ghana's economy. You never accepted. 2022. run for bono kosro na yes a chire mu chire Ghana for nyina NDC for it there be da Akufo-Addo bad luck. In fact NDC for more opposition no now omu ye say I say devils. Even to the fact that John Mahama is excellency ankasa no otuniko campaign ko ka say ensure entonu aye global aye climate change ntin o say Akufo-Addo bad luck nti. Yeah, John Mahama said that. Because rem honum no ko campaign no o say ensure entonu aye Akufo-Addo bad luck nti na ensure nto. As at the time John Mahama was telling this thing to Ghanaians, I was rem hono. Now news item by say uko Namibia, Zimbabwe and the others no. There was so much drought that they were killing these wild animals, hippopotamus and the others to feed people because they are in here. But His Excellency Mahama said, say, young MPP for your bad luck and take. And I'm sure no. And no that the global space, no, war is happening, started today. And you will not feel anything. You will not feel anything today. But in the coming weeks, actually from Friday, you start seeing it. Dollar to CD exchange rate. No. And yes, I'm a prophet of doom. And yes, I am a deal. But I want Ghanaians to come and see finally say, MPP for and yes, you pay money you. But as some I catch the Ghana for no. Those are the things that are happening today. Now, would they what the kind eto gold no gold that say in times like this that we are entering now. Say see US for any Iran for Iraq for Qatar for nyina ekunu. In times like this, we will have gold that will be like we really ogboro so say oh yeah dear yensurushi ye gold enti. The gold that we left for this time no Mahama we di kaya to the other. Mahama na banyo omo the kind to gold no da asem na bad. There is no gold that we are going to rely on. And to what dollars? What dollar account? This is not the time to go and change your money. Keep it there. Obi bia what dollar account bia no. En kwasisa say 22 weeks answer. Nyehwe bibi. Baba sika gari. Sika gari. And this one, you cannot do anything about it because global issues. We are waiting for John Mahama's explanation on this one. Number 2, same on still on this US for yes. I'm a Papa Bianchi says that gas is going to be very expensive now. Yeah, it's going to be expensive. It's going to be expensive, and you can't do anything about it. But I'm just waiting for explanation. And John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, and this for that is what I'm waiting for. But I'm waiting for their explanation. Second thing,
no, esi den na boy no ma de na fair and son no money life imprisonment. Ma ne papa na yeku omo ba ya no. Enti oma mama ne papa no are living in agony till now. And son omo be hu se boy na nya ni punishment. Enya maybe wo hwa ya na enye. We onu weku enya so okun nipa wano. Wekutu na ye hu ye. The probability say wekuku be before obi enhu ye great. Enti nipa say no to me no. Enya ade a say e ma otena ho life imprisonment we ye be yi no. Oh kakra be ka good behavior ye be yi no be fi obesin abaye biem. Na nko ye na e de no call firing squad na ye shoot ni bia. Enka next time obi de besua nyansa. Inti Ghana na se na ewudie na dross na nse na se omo ye bibi wo ho. Yenhwe students ya omo attack omo another school colleague meju hu a menti ase school for nkwala o boy ni so onye amohwio se hwan na mobu efunu hwan na mobu efunu na mo penny na mo enya na innocent person ogina ne baby na mode mani kwosue no so abuboyi basa ya nko checking for internal bleeding po ebi onam wa no wewu because ba ku hwiri no abestamp nechi Eniama Mahama baya ekoso Ghana, in fact, na mimi blame sa 7th December na ye 2 aba no. Omo amoko 2 aba ma Mahama no. Omo na mi blame omo. Because after omoko 2 aba na sa gidi ne ewudie ne niema eba starti wo Ghana etuntwa ya besin.
They see me ba o mintwa wa no. They say ampa asma wo kan last year so na is it Kimbu so students no. But almost ntokwasi omuntema one of them stabbed the other. Aside that, another one SNC wo enclave one ma. I don't know what it.
Tech student here no mo friend den no o she sama mo bebrebe a mo hu say
Ato.
Ono so no we would dem gremu eba ne sen. Eba ne sen. In fact, baby Ghana ekika kono Ghana yehu. Ghana yehu pa na ne nyina fi John Mahama. Ne nyina fi John Mahama me dem fa blame mo opia power ba ko pa wo paint no wakọ ne nam esum kebri bi mu ene wakọ sesa musua begu Ghana boys ade omu nyina omu sua day of eyiya na wakọ sesa bouquet na fo abegu ma omu bu nipa sese niema by heart ne na innocent boys ni nyina omu sua ye ene wo so called security ade bi omu ahihye omakata omu ahihye max ede ni nam kromu di nsemfun no John Mahama una odi sade we nyina aba nti me blame obia so your friend is saying abisimu ni oku enkwala eton ejiske ni nyina ya wo John Mahama wo una wa masa na ema ni nyina aba Ghana man no because why your hu obia anytime bia wo beba no ensem ebesisi Ghana nya nsem ketwa na 2026 impo de ne ebeba na nya nsem ketwa enti MPP fu amowo Ghana nyina ne yen ya ye wa akwentuo mu nyina yen ya ye wo TikTok all the social media handles no so yesro nyankopon se onfa ye no ni moja de hinu mu no mbo ye ho ban na nya saade John Mahama musuo na ode aba Ghana 2026 enuanom 2025 no mpo sawo Nesisi 2025 no esa. Eno wasan indirectly opeso di Ghana fuenia wo ma nipa spiritually yenya ahoto physically nso a eno nso wo mia ye ji John Mahama aden edan kwa na wo pe wo wiase NDC fo edan kwa na mo pe wo wiase Sami Jemfi me honestly na so na yekun nipa wu a ya ende say yeka but Ghana sika na wo hwia bebrebe no Sami Jemfi Ghana sika wo hwia ye na nado a wo di na tem Dr. Mahmoud Baomi a wo twa akohwie tu no so eho repercussions na start wo so no when say emre bi wo say before ba wo fie be wia wo say yes omo fa wo ire o sesen tobo ebuboba wankasa nso na ebesen atu biem mesi mu nimu a mu amudi na nado atam ye na nado boni nyina eni Dr. Mahmoud Baomi ano monko omo na so na monko pacho na monbra publicly embe gina hon retract atemu die ni bibia amaka kire omo ni nyina na anya sa na ebeba moso na nya asem ketua sisi a wasi ubema na omo de ko no so wankasa nso ye de beba oso biem so maame ne o papa no nso wo ho afa no akọchi omo afa na makọchi omo mo ye kan say IGP ni omo wo NDC fu asamba de na ehwim no makọchi ni pakro no MPP fu no bi ye bibi anka mo mbua mpo how akumsin ya buni mo gina ho police fu gina ho ebi no mo filme akwetia niema esisi hoi ebinum gina ho mo filme aso wo Sami Jemfi hu eto sin de him makwa akofa enkrofo naba mo nyina maketua e wo suru wasase so won framem wo nriem eya ambulances ni ade a e wo Ghana omuntumi nhweso yi na nuanom eya mo nwanwa ana John Mahama by because you coordinators for a year can saying drip yeah or drip machines and ambulance and so when you coordinator and I minister mpo. Enti sankrofo na John Mahama yi omo no appoint omo wo sa sections na ye di Ghana sika echi omo ka no ejuma be na omo ye
omo aban also omo didi, so they have to just put them somewhere, not necessarily that they are working.
Hey, John Mahama na omo anu NDC fo na journalists ni reporters si omo report ma Mwati Mugabe suna osu no
onye nsu ye
Mese ebi beka obie ni wo Ghana ho na mi misra koko ekriafo misra nurses misra teachers mo beko ya kan say demonstration na enkosi aga papa no so we delete ade no we delete mo kwafa we delete o one can say bimpo there are two spam yim na maka se mo beko akohwehwe we delete forever etinya de obetua muka the only solution mo nyina obia mbo nidia because Ghana honom no em say NDC fo no eno pani ade ebetumi omo koko fo mbo omudia teachers mbo omudia nurses mbo omudia obi biala Mahama ban ebu kwase ebi edwomfo ma mbo omudia na NDC fo no omo so nti na Ghana yenya asumdwie na ne omo ye wo Ghana mainum no edin mo basika wo mainum mo kwa na mo sisa sika ni di eniema a wo si watete so yenya sika nto niema ni bi you are refusing to pay them sika be na omo mfa nkoto niema no sika ben ana John Mahama apeso omo de koto eduane ni ade na o si watete so no so sisi this week yes to petrol so meboa Ghana for moya mo hu boni o moya mo hu boni sa nipa 6,000 o say 6 million ejimi for na mo koto aba ma John Mahama no moya Ghana boni na mo akasa nso bi kamani e na padmo se hwana ono so edura chi no na ono so ni nam na okeka ne okeka sa mo nyina mo bebleme na nado Musi ora
this that one you anymore they are trying all they can to divert attention from the cocoa from the cocoa reduction price.
Is that what they are doing?
Oh,
okay.
You see, some of us you read your more. So now no, they've taken a certain entrenched position.
You are right.
They have positioned themselves. Omo take a certain posture and said they are now doing Ghana bid. Since when did you, Padmon, realize that you would do Ghana bid? A cheek of it. Mama Baya almost when in an now said dollar is coming down to 4%.
Yeah. What's a buy
when you go under his live and then the comments now control say the dollar didn't come out, he will insult you. Yeah, my main country from a certain quarters, and do you know what they are doing? Omunyanka Dr. Bamia Embe kasa pim keke. So that they will use Nekasa no Babe Kasano to divert attention from what is going on. But Dr. Bamia doesn't have their time now. He's busy.
He's busy.
NBC bloggers now, this government is weak. They want to gain. They want to take a certain position. We know gaining another credibility. Now, quite to say okay, then they will sway the public. But Koko no ye beka sa emfa. So he's here. As a more coming rather than forgetting.
Now, many me say cocoa farmers no ebia starting wu. Ebi no move because omo no omo da pressure draw so ni ade a omo nya omo draw no mo no. Ebi no ma start wu ne ye me ya ne.
Lady see. We ye teacher
for nso a ye ntu omo ke. Baako yes ye posting no ko ehifa ya kan say ya inform market ya ma no wewu.
I saw that.
Wewu John Mahama. Ni nyina egu apampe mu NDC for John Mahama, Sami Jemfi, Okujato, Sam George, Mosquito, General Mosquito, ena tikelenkelen. Mukoda, munya guilty conscience kakra, na mwe digane ewu.
Lady, see those people.
Mati, those people.